YouTube channel. It's been a minute. The PR is piling up again. I'm getting overwhelmed. Okay, so she sent me lippies. It's the Fenty Icon. I just put lip gloss on. Oh wait, it's these. Why didn't I know what these were called? These are the, so these came in new shade. I love how the logo is on the inside of here. Like, yo, that's fire. That's pretty. It's like that nice mauve. I definitely would want a brown lip liner, but that feels so nice. It's buttery too, but this look crazy without a lip liner. Okay, so I don't think I like this shade on me, but the formula is fire. It's getting hot in my room, and I'm about to suffer. If I put my fan on, it's gonna be too loud for y'all. I don't know how to pronounce them. Okay, so I watched a video. It's Gisou. I said Gisou. I got 2 packages from Gisou, and I have no idea what's gonna be in here. They sent their honey infused hair repair serum. This is gonna be part of the giveaway that I'm gonna do. Now, this is their iconic hair oil. Everybody raves about this. It smells good too. I am cutting my hair again, and I'm going back to the Pixie for maybe like a month. Like, not for real, I just need to cut my hair. I feel like that would be a good chance for me to try this then. YSL. They sent me the lash ooh. Okay, so they sent me another Black Opium, Lash Class mascara, and another eyeliner. Which scent is this? Okay, so they sent me Libre. They sent me the little trio travel sizes before. There's a bottle of this one. Okay, so this one's just a little bit more masculine because I like a lot of sweet scents. This is from Bobbi Brown. Hold on. Everything they sent me. This is the face base. I remember I tried this one time. It was probably like a sample from when I was in Nordstrom or something like that. This is so good under your makeup. So then I have the eye base too. I feel like this is my shade. Yeah, I think this is my shade because that looks like more my summer. It's their vitamin enriched skin tint with SPF 15. Ooh, hold on. Is it gonna focus? Focus for me. This, ooh. That's something like, hold on. Let's do it again. Ooh! This is like luxury. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Kubrakay skincare. It smells good. I can smell it through the box. What's this? Hydrating body oil. Ooh, that smells blackberry vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. A vitamin A and E night cream. So this is their cocoa butter cream. Oh, and this also balances your complexion as well. Ooh, it smells clean. So that's everything. To keep y'all updated about the giveaway that I'm doing. I think I want to do it for November, so then people have gifts for the holidays. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button. Keep up with me on Instagram, on TikTok, and make sure y'all check my community tab because that's where I be sending y'all little notes, little updates. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.